coupon voucher for a Brazilian wax and I wanted to make an appointment. Hey guys, what's good? So today is going to be my very first self-care Sunday. I feel like most of these videos will still be vlog style, but basically on Sundays I will be showing you guys what I'm doing to practice my just daily, weekly, monthly self-care. It's not that I'm going to be doing all of this stuff on the same day or on a Sunday, but that's just the day that I'm going to be posting everything. So for example, today I am going to be getting my eyelashes refilled. I tried to schedule a wax appointment this morning, but you can only schedule on their website, and honestly the website wasn't like super intuitive, so I need to just like focus and look on the website to really see like what I'm doing. But you guys will see that on this vlog too. My eyebrows, my nails, just like all the stuff that you do to take care of yourself. But yes, if you are new here, I do post videos 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Yes, I know like a hot mess right now, but that's gonna change. Okay, so a change of plans. My appointment was actually supposed to be like right now. Like I'm here for curbside check-in, and they literally just called me and told me that my stylist had a family emergency, and so they had to push my appointment back. I don't know, I guess it's just not my morning for appointments. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and just get my eyebrows and my nails done in the meantime. So yes, change of plans, but we're still taking care of ourselves today. All right, y'all, so I racked up at the dollar store. I'm getting a basket for Bryland's teacher. So basically, I'm going to be making a gift basket for her. So I got this nice little basket for $1. Y'all, it is so hot. But yes, after waiting 30 minutes, y'all know I just was adamant because there is no way in hell I would have ever waited 30 minutes to get my eyebrows done. But I like the girl who does them. She does a good job, so I waited and I did make an appointment, so that's my bad. But yes, this is what they look like. Yeah, she did a really good job. So yes, we're gonna go home. I'm gonna do a quick Dollar Tree haul and then show y'all what I'm making for my son's teacher for her birthday. So yes, let's get into what I got from the Dollar Tree. So basically, this is the basket that I bought. I feel like it's a pretty good basket. Like, you can use this for other stuff outside of, you know, just this gift basket. And yeah, I just got like a card and a whole bunch of like self-care type stuff. This is some of the nicer things that I found to get at the Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to do something similar, I am going to just fast forward me putting it together. But to just show y'all what I got, I first got this Utterly Smooth hand cream. I got this candle, and this candle smells really good. I got this Dove lotion. I got a microfiber hair towel, a little eye mask. So as y'all can see, it's definitely like kind of like a little self-care basket. These bath bombs, a little loofah, and another face. This is an in-shower mask. Another little paper face mask. Okay, so I'm gonna speed this up and you guys are gonna see how I make my basket. Editing. Here's actually a little bit closer of a look of my editing setup. So this is my MacBook, but I like to edit on my big monitor. So I don't know if y'all can tell like how big of a monitor it is, but as y'all can see, like that's my MacBook, that's the monitor. So yes, today is Tuesday, so I'm being a little bit last minute because I definitely owe y'all a video today. So this is gonna be the what I wore on vacation video. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, I will go ahead and link it up here. Definitely go check it out. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and then we'll get to my eyelash appointment. All right, y'all, so here are my lashes. This is the hybrid, although I don't know, I kind of feel like they look just like regular lashes. So I really like them, so I'm really pleased at them. I fell asleep during my appointment, so I'm just like waking up. So yeah, I think I'm about to get some, no, I was gonna say I think I'm about to get some lemonade, but I think let's just go home, drink some water, finish editing this video. It's already almost 4 o'clock because that appointment took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. So yeah, I'm curious. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like for your lashes. Do you keep them bare, mascara? Do you like strip lashes, or do you prefer the eyelash extensions? I'm curious. Let me know. Y'all, I'm watching the Brandy versus Monica versus battle on Instagram, and it's like literally taking me back. I'm about to pour. I've been drinking some margarita, and I'm gonna get some wine because this is just like a whole moment. Y'all, this battle is literally like I'm dying. Hey y'all, so it's the next morning, and I don't think I actually ended up showing y'all what my nails look like. But this is how my nails turned out. So super pretty. But yeah, so to continue on with this whole like self-care vlog, I'm about to go get a bikini wax, a Brazilian to be precise. So I think I mentioned before that I do some freelance video editing. So currently I'm doing like an intro for his video, but I want it to look really cool. This is what I have so far, but I feel like I need to spruce it up. But yes, I do have a deadline on that soon, so I'm gonna be doing that today. So today is Tuesday, so I owe you guys a video as well. I feel like this video is gonna be pretty simple to edit because it's going to be a Louis Vuitton key holder comparison. So I feel like that like vlogs take me forever to edit, but the sit down videos don't take nearly as long. I am a perfectionist when it comes to my editing, so I'm the one that holds myself up. But yeah, it's basically time to go. My room is a mess. Alexa, turn off. All right, so keep in mind, I do have a 3-year-old, so my room is currently a mess. He, I guess, decided to dump all of his flashcards out on the floor. But this is my OOTD. So I'm wearing a top that is distressed, and I did the distressing on this top myself. I saw this on the Free People website, and I just kind of did like my own version of it. I'm wearing my Ivy Park skirt, and I haven't decided on shoes yet, but from the other video, y'all did see that I got my toes done French. All right, so I'm gonna figure out shoes, gonna put some lotion on these kneecaps, and then we're gonna go get a bikini wax. Oh, really quickly, I did want to show y'all that since I'm getting my bikini wax today, of course I took a shower and stuff, but I want to smell, I don't know, a little extra fresh and just be a little extra comfortable at the appointment. So I am going to be using this honey pot spray. I don't know if y'all can see it, okay? But yeah, it's a Awakening Jasmine Panty Spray. So I'm basically just gonna like spray that before I leave, just to feel like, for me to feel just like a little bit extra comfortable. And like honestly, I need to do more research on like the whole like femininity trend movement. A lot of people say that I like remind them of that. So yeah, if you guys want like maybe a video on how I kind of like embrace my femininity and I guess like feminine energy, then yeah, let me know.
In 2 miles, take exit 462 onto Duncanville Road toward North Main Street. And all my love is showing, let's meet up at
So I have like a story time about the very first time I got a wax, and that was when I was in esthetician school. But this is like the first time I've actually gotten a Brazilian wax. And now that everything is said and done, I feel like it wasn't that bad, but definitely like when I was getting it done, it was that bad. But I know that this is my first time getting it, so it should get better. But yes, I did take a look at it and it does look really nice. And then they also, so I went ahead and booked for a vaginal steam as well. And then they also sell herbs that you can do like your own vaginal steam at home. So it looks like this. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. So yeah, I feel like that does it for this like self-care vlog, self-care Sunday. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell if you haven't already. As always, remember to be good to yourself, take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.